Keeping your tools in check is very important, especially during these times where there is a tool for everything. In today's video, we will go through a list of tools you never knew needed. The Bulat pipe bender is a valuable tool for both professionals and hobbyists alike. It simplifies the construction of structures such as greenhouses, sheds, pergolas, and more. It possesses the ability to bend tubes of up to 32 millimeters in diameter and 2.8 millimeters in thickness. Apart from tubes, Bulat has also been designed to handle square bars and profiles. Its design is so user-friendly and intuitive that even children are believed to be capable of operating it. When it's time to create openings for ceiling lights, the F4P kit has got you covered. This versatile tool works effectively on various materials, including drywall, plywood, regular wood, fiberboard, and acrylic. Additionally, the kit comes with a transparent polycarbonate component to collect debris and dust while cutting. The adjustable hole sizes range from 40 to 300 millimeter in diameter, and you can purchase the kit for $93. While this wireless cutting device might look like it's straight out of a horror movie, it's really crafted for much more serene applications. With its ability to smoothly slice through insulating substances, this tool shines when dealing with materials like mineral wool or polyurethane foam panels due to its versatile cutting component. The real beauty of this instrument is its ability to perform with precision right up on scaffolding, which bypasses any need for stops or guides. With a weight of 3 pounds, it can cut through a depth of 240 millimeters. The M730 proves to be an effective option for post-pulling tasks due to its impressive pulling strength of up to 4 tons. Capable of managing not only posts but sizable objects with diameters up to 60 centimeters, this amazing tool from Fencemaster comes with a price tag of $24.19. Holmatro lifting bags function similarly to a jack, but with a more compact design and a pressure capacity of up to 12 bars. By stacking 3 bags, you can lift a load as high as 51 centimeters. This Stackbags HSB series offers 4 distinct models, with the basic model supporting a load of 27 tons and the top model up to 92.2 tons. These bags are user-friendly and allow you to excel on your first attempt. Additionally, a unique control unit enables individual lifting and loading of each bag. With the ability to handle a range of tasks, the RFP garden machine is a pump whose versatility stands out. From water extraction from a barrel to draining a swimming pool, it has the ability to pump 1,500 liters of water per hour. This, coupled with battery operation for cordless convenience, makes it a practical choice. The extendable telescopic handle allows one to adjust the immersion depth up to a meter. A distinct feature is its ability to automatically stop when there's no water left to pump. Here's something similar in design with the F4P hole cutter we mentioned earlier. This innovation from Milwaukee, called the Dust Trap, is an excellent product for drill enthusiasts. It's a universal dust extraction system that can be used with any SDS plus drill bit. Notably, Dust Trap has been validated as the first universal solution by the U.S. Occupational Safety and Health Administration. You don't need a vacuum to use Dust Trap, as it pairs effortlessly with drill bits of up to 20 centimeters in length. This extremely convenient system retailed at just $23. Truly adapting to a variety of roles, the Scheppach RS400 sieve effortlessly acts on soil, compost, and sand. The drum turns at a rate of 42 spins in a minute, which allows it to reach throughput rates as high as 3 cubic meters per hour. The actual speed varies based on the type of material. For anyone interested in purchase, it is available for $569. This kit serves two main functions. First, it allows professionals to precisely set the distance between boards. Second, it's utilized for tightening them based on the board's width. Usually a few sets can tighten 5 to 7 pieces. The spaces feature a thickness of 6 millimeters. For friends who enjoy cycling with tubeless tires, introduce them to the convenient CO2 blaster for tubeless tires called LEZYNE. This useful gadget not only seals but also inflates tires. It's essentially a REMA device armed with a CO2 cylinder and 5 additional plugs. Compact and easy to carry, it can fit in a backpack or pocket with ease. The kit, which includes 2 CO2 cylinders, weighs a mere 206 grams and costs $55. Well, that's going to be it for today. If you find this video entertaining, then drop a like and do subscribe for more similar content like this.